Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website that you can earn your free Bitcoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the all videos available, and this is the website. The website name is BitPick. This website link available in description. You can see this much BTC this website paid for their users, this much game played, and this much users available. Okay, this all about this website, and you can just click create account. Okay, and just put your email address and password and just solve this little capture and just click sign in. I have already an account, just I go to log in my account to show you how this website work. Okay, this is all website. The first one is the stone. Every time this will be increased and this website pay you much more. Okay, and this all about levels. If you work much more, you will level reach it up. If you don't work, this will be not going up. Just it's very easy, just solving this little capture. Okay, this is G7 BVB. Okay, just click claim. Please wait. If the capture is right, you can earn your free BTC. Okay, every hour you can right now you can earn this much BTC. If you go to multiple and start playing games, this much regret of the target, and you can reach the iron. Okay, just go to for U2. Okay, just put some much amount and you can just click and you can increase it and decrease it. Okay, increase it 10% and just click start. Okay, this will be you can win or you can be lose, but I tell you one thing, the best part, this will be if you start you can earn much more regret of the losing and winning. If you have found much more BTC and you can start with this, you can earn much more. Okay, with losing and earning. Okay, and this will be the easiest way you can just sure you found your regret. Okay, and you can reach the amount. The next one is the deposit. Going to deposit and deposit your BTC in here. Okay, and the next one is the withdrawal. The withdrawal is the easiest way you can withdraw. Just this is the minimum amount of withdrawal, and you can see this is 6 to 24 hours. There will be paid and the Bitcoin wallet orders amount and transfer fees. The next one is the setting. You can put security I'll think about in this website. If you just activate, you can activate. If you don't activate, just click send email. This website send you an email with this website, and just if you click the link, then will be activate your email address successfully, and you can just reload the page and you can see this will be activate. Okay, just put your wallet address and just put your password. Okay, the next one is the affiliate way is the one of the best way you can earn. Okay, free BTC. Okay, this much 50% off base price you can earn. The next one is multiple. The third one is the gift card. Okay, and you can earn right now. You can see this is the for referral I have, but I didn't earn anything. The next one is the gift, and the gift is one of the best way the promote. This website pay you with the banners or all things. Okay, and the contacts, you can contest to the participate the this one way. Okay, you can participate and you can earn much more the reward from the website. Okay, and this is my wig rate, but if you use much more, this is the ice wig rate from the website. Okay, this all month of the years. And contacts, you can contact to the person every 48 hours. This website answer your email you submitted. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. You can earn much more. Just go to YouTube and just click start, and you can wait and you can earn much more with this website. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye.